Steve's work is trash, but at least he pays on time. Pays when I want it. Treats you better. So Todd, I've known you my entire life, and you're gonna treat me like I'm a piece of trash.
Some tricky takeoffs today, folks.
I like when he just flies straight up in the air. I don't know if you can do it with the spin, but hit that bird. That bird just freaked out a little bit up there.
Go ahead, Michael, get the ball for me.
Fuck yeah.
Go ahead. Let me see your former NFL experience kicking.
NFL?
Could have been. Back in the day, could have been a mighty kicker. Let me see what you can do. You're an all-around football player.
Call me Mike Bucks.
He really have that shit, make money.
For what?
Competitions like that, for like different tricks and shit for that, for airplanes and stuff.
Show off over here?
No, I'm saying, no, because he's pretty good.
I know.
I've never seen you do it. They have contests and shit like that, for real, for real.
Yeah, you definitely do.
Grand champions, world champions and shit, yo. You'd be surprised, yo, what's out there.
Yeah, but those guys are
They have a hot dog eating contest. I mean, come on. I mean,
and a wing eating contest.
Exactly. I mean, there's
actually
contests.
They have every kind of eating contest out there.
Yeah, they have video game contests and shit like that. They have all kinds of shit like that. You win a lot of money, yo. Some of this shit. Not like millions of dollars, a couple G's.
Maybe even
$500.
Who cares?
Usually those places are where like it's huge airspace, like
yeah.
you know what I mean, like
Hardly it's like
no wind, really no wind like that,
airport.
Right? Or no wind or anything like that.
I like this plane
You
because
can judge on your fucking
like
tricks and fucking landing and shit like that, takeoffs.
Go!
Go! Go! Go! Go! Go! Go! Go! Viva la Mexico! Let's go! 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 He's junk. He doesn't play anyway.
He just benched himself.
People who have to work out like that have to fucking, they stink. It's like that.
I played soccer. And the time I practiced is when my whole team practiced.
Hence why you're sitting in a field today.